get noticed in this 2003 Hyundai Elantra. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. Save your money. Make less trips to the gas station to fill your gas tank when driving this fuel-efficient vehicle. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine connected to a manual transmission that'll keep you in touch with your vehicle. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing vehicle. Air conditioning, power windows, power steering, power mirrors, an AM/FM stereo, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. Call today to schedule a test drive.